How to replace rear brake pads for 2015 Chevy Equinox. Jack up the car and make sure you use jack stand in a star sequence. If you start from here, the next one will be this one, and the last one, this one. After removing the tire, remove these two bolts right here. This is 14 and this one, and hold this with 18 open wrench, this right here and this one. Use a screwdriver to remove the brake pad. There. Then push that piston using a C-clamp, and then put a light brake lubricant on the back of the pads and also around that piston and here. Just lightly. So I just pushed back the piston using this C-clamp, and now the pads, just put back the pads right there, and make sure, don't forget that grease. Now you can put back the caliper. I already put the first bolt, and the second bolt will be next right here. Right there. I just put back the wheel, and I put the lug nut here, and make sure put it back in a star sequence also when tightening them. Here's the next one. The next one will be here, and then here's the last one. Last thing to check is the brake fluid level. Mine was below maximum line. That's the reason why I changed my pads. And now, because I pushed back the piston, the level came back up.